Hello everyone. Let's start today's POTD of November, which is a circular sentence. A sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or trailing space. For example, here we have given hello world, hello world, hello world. As we can see here that there's no leading space, there's no space in the beginning and there's no space in the end in this whole string, and there's just space in the middle of two words. So sentences like these are called sentence. Like here, as we can see, there's only one word and there's no leading and trailing space, so it is also considered as sentence. So we are given only sentences. Words consist of only upper and lowercase English letters. Uppercase and lowercase English letters are considered different. A sentence is circular if the last character of a word is equal to the first character of the next word, and the last character of the first word is equal to the first character of the first word. For example, here we have given lead code exercises sound delightful. So as we can see here, the previous word's last character is equal to the next word's first character, and also like in these two words, the last character of this word is equal to the next character's first word. So it's equal, and also here the last character of the previous word is equal to the first character of the next word, dd. So it makes a circular sentence. Here in the lead code we have given only one word, but as the condition says, it is circular because the first character of this word is equal to the last character of that word. So it is a circular sentence. And also lead code eats soul, last character is equal to the first character, last character is equal to the first character, so it's a circular sentence. All are circular sentences. However, lead code is cool. It is not circular because the E does not match the next character's first word, it's I. S does not match with the first letter of the first word of the next word, cool, C. S and C does not match, so it's not circular. Same as happy lead code, and I like lead code. These are not circular sentences. So we are given a sentence: return true if it is circular, otherwise return false. Let's understand the example. So the sentence given to us is lead code exercises sound delightful. Same as the example given here. So it's true, like the last character is equal to the first character, last character equal to the first character, last character equal to the first character, so it's true. And here in the eat code, the first letter, the first character is equal to the last character, so it's a circular sentence. In example 3, lead code is cool. It's not circular because this last character is not equal to the first character, last character is not equal to the first character, so false. Like any of the condition is false, then it's not circular. Like it should satisfy all the conditions to be a circular sentence. So how we can solve this question? Okay, so one approach I can think of is, we have given a string, so we know that there's only space in between these words, and we have to and in order to check the circular sentences, we are only going to check the last character of the previous word and the first character of the next word. So what we can do is we can iterate in the whole string. We can iterate in a whole string, and then like we can check if my last character is equal to the first character of the next word. If it is, if both are equal, it means it's circular. So we will have a loop, and we will check for each spaces which we are getting, either the previous element and the next element are equal. If they are equal, we'll return true, otherwise we'll return false. And for the single for this single word where we don't have any space, we will just check its first and last elements. If it's equal, then return true, it means it is a circular sentence, otherwise return false. So let's code it. First, find out the size of my sentence. And then just iterate in the whole string. Smaller than size, I increment. Now I'll check if my s of I, whenever I'll get a space like this white space, I'll check for its previous and the next element. So if s of I minus 1 is equal to s of I plus 1, if they are equal, just move on. Okay, so we don't have to do anything, but if we get any words which are not equal, we'll just return false, because it means that is not equal. Okay, so we are done with that condition. So if it is true, we will return true in the last. It means we get that. And for this edge case where we have only one word in our sentence, for that what we will do is we'll just check its first and last element. Like if my s of i's zeroth character is equal to s of, it's equal to the size minus 1, the last character. If they both are equal, then return true, else return false, because it means we didn't get the, like, in the eat code, if it's not ee, if it's ee then it's true, like we have the circular sentence. But if it's not ee, then it means that it is not circular, so we'll return false. And in last we'll return true. If it satisfies all the condition here and it's not a single sentence, then it will come here and it will just return true, because then it will become the circular sentence. So just I'll run a code now. Use of undeclared. Okay, it's not, it's okay. Let's change this to s only, because we have used s everywhere. Okay, fine, let's run it now. Yeah, it's correct. Now let's try to submit our code. Okay, so it's running fine. And also, let's see the time and space complexity. Here the time complexity will be big of n, because we are iterating in our whole loop. Like we are iterating in the whole string which we have given, so it's the big of the size of the string which we have. And the space complexity will be big of n 1, like we didn't use any extra space, so it's the constant space. So it's we are done with the POTD today.